Dispatcher Mendocino.
Yes, hi. I was kayaking and I'm in the near Cove Beach, and there's no one around. I can't seem to.
Very nervous. So I actually, my kayak rolled over and got swamped, and I was in the water, and I was very scared. Didn't know what to do and where to go.
She didn't know how to tell us where she was. She really wasn't sure of her location.
Quick thinking, I saw the Carbyne logo up there. Thought, oh, let me try this. I'm going to send you something. You have to enable it yourself. You have to accept it.
He would send me a text just to click on something to give him permission, and then I did that.
I saw the camera. The kayak was sinking. She had cut in her leg.
There weren't any boats going by, and they couldn't see me, and I was able to show them with my phone where I was.
She was on a rock. It was some random rock in the ocean.
So I heard that they had gotten a view from a camera. They were using that new software.
He's like, can you give me a better location? Give me a location. I was like, yeah, I have it right here on Carbyne. And copy, paste, sent right back to them. He sent it over to them. It was a matter of like seconds, and they had exactly where she was.
As soon as we got the lat long, we called back some of those resources because we knew exactly where the person was.
I feel like if we didn't know where she was, they would be searching around for a while.
The dispatcher said he'd stay on the line with me through the whole time.
Okay, that might be them. You should be right there in that area.
Oh, I think I see them.
You think they see you?
They're coming.
Once that boat came and I heard saw the fire police and I saw the fire, oh man, it was a great feeling. 'Cause I was like, oh, it worked. It actually worked. Like in record time.
Within a short time of implementing this thing actually helped saving of somebody. I'm thinking, oh my God, this thing really works. I'm really, really excited that we were able to help somebody within just a few hours of turning the switch on.
You know, you had to see it to believe it. This is a really something that is groundbreaking.
We're not putting it in to make me feel better, but nonetheless, I absolutely was very pleased with that success.
You know, you feel so grateful that there's people out there that are helping you, and I'm so grateful for him and everybody who rescued me.